Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you of how to fix the Wi-Fi icon not showing in Windows 11 computer. As you can see, there's no Wi-Fi icon or option showing in my Windows 11 computer. So, let's see how to fix or enable the Wi-Fi icon option here. Let's get started. Click here on the Start button and click on Settings. Now click on the Network and Internet. Click on Advanced Network Settings. You can now enable your Wi-Fi option. Now, I'm gonna close this window. Let's check if the Wi-Fi icon is now showing. Here it is, friends. My Wi-Fi icon is now showing. We can now see here, the Wi-Fi icon option is available now. Connecting to our Wi-Fi network is now easy and quick because of this Wi-Fi icon. That's it, on how to fix Wi-Fi icon not showing in Windows 11 computer.
That's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.